Hello everybody, this is Alex from Paramic Financial Services. I have Frank today with me.
Hi guys, this is Frank from Paramic Financial Services. Glad to be here.
So today we're going to be going over a life insurance topic. In one of our last videos, Frank talked about term insurance, and in another video, there was a video where both of us talked about a little bit of introduction about life insurance. So today we're going to be talking about a different kind of life insurance. It's called final expense.
Good. Okay, Alex, so kind of interesting question here. What is final expense?
Okay,
insurance?
Frank, well, yeah, that's a great question. I'm pretty sure our customers and our viewers would appreciate that question. So final expense is a type of life insurance policy to pretty much cover your funeral costs, okay? So what that means is gives you funds so you can cover your funeral costs.
Okay.
People between 50 to 80. Health is not really a factor, so some people may worry about diabetes, health condition that they won't qualify for this type of policy, because as we know, a lot of life insurance policies, some will make you go through a evaluation, which they check your whole medical, see if you have any conditions, and if you do, you may get declined. So the final expense, number one, again, 50 to 80 years old, they don't worry about health, it's to cover your funeral costs, and it also comes with a will too, okay? So it's kind of like a package altogether.
What I want to know right now is, I think you did go over it, but who is qualified, to be more specific?
Okay, pretty much anybody is qualified, but the target age is usually older folks, because the reason being is older folks is, as we all know, as you get older, life insurance gets more expensive.
Yes.
Someone who is interested in covering and protecting their family, when they go,
they're older and they're not on that healthy side. Like they might have like pre-existing conditions, like a heart attack or stroke. They still qualify.
Correct.
So for this life final expenses policy, how much does it cost?
Before we answer that question, I wanted to go over something else. My dad personally works at a funeral home service, and he does sales there. And he's always told me that passing away, you don't just pass away and then everything goes away. You know, when you pass away, it costs us money. You know, so a traditional burial costs about 10 to 15 grand. Okay, and if you want a cremation, that's from 6 to 10 grand.
Okay.
So say for example, if you were to go, who's going to cover that? Most likely our family, right? So when you're asking me how much, when we buy the final expense, you can buy coverage between $2,000 to $50K. That's what the benefits are going to increase to. So say if you were to go, that's $50K to you, okay? If you're buying the maximum benefit. And your family can use that for your funeral costs, take care of all that stuff.
Good.
So remember, let's recap. Target could be older folks, 50 to 80.
Okay.
Health is not a factor. Covers your funeral costs. Has a will in it, okay? So you got all in one package. Remember, no blood, no urine. Average cost of that is about $50 to $100, okay? Just roughly average cost.
I think we can clear this a little bit more by using like an example, right?
So in our example today, we have a male that's 65 years old. He lives in the state of Texas, and his face amount for the premium that he's buying is $20,000, okay? Non-smoker. This would be $104.34, roughly, okay?
That's not bad.
So he pays that, and remember, this premium, it's a fixed premium, it doesn't change. So he's going to pay that same amount all the way until the day where he moves on until the benefit comes to his family, okay? Payment methods. Well, you could do monthly, you could do quarterly, you can do semi-annual, or you can do annual. So whatever payment method you're comfortable with, it's available for you, okay?
Sweet. I do have one last question for you.
Yes.
Comes with a free will, right?
Yes.
Would it go up in premiums? Like, take the case that you just gave me, for example, the male 65 years old, he bought a policy for $20,000. How much in premium we might see?
So if he does a free will, the premium will be around $124.58.
Okay. So it doesn't go up by a lot, but he gets the benefits of a free will. I think he's getting more than he's paying.
Oh yeah, definitely. Remember, life insurance is not just one type. There's many different types to cater towards your situation. Like we spoke before, term insurance is good for a younger person and they want to have some protection for their family in case they go. Older person now, they wanted to do the same thing. The term insurance would be a lot more expensive for them to pay, and it actually might not be as well worth it as a final expense. So sometimes when you think about protecting yourself, you got to ask yourself the question, what situation are you in? What do you need? What's important to you? and what matters a lot to you. Ask yourself those questions. And if you want to know more about this final expense or any more about life insurance, you could always consult us. Frank and I and Jonathan here are all specialists here in our office, and we're always learning new things every day, very motivated and willing to help the community. So if you guys want to learn more about this, you can email us, you
Yes.
can give us a call at the office, you can hit us up on Facebook. Let us know. We don't mind explaining these things more to you guys.
Yes.
Maybe even personalize some of the information to you so you can understand it and take it home to your friends and family.
Yes.
So Frank and I just wanted to share this with you guys today. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something today.
Thank you so much.